navigator Knott here. You're not gonna believe this. I was exploring Adrenaline's Peak when I stumbled across Captain Crown's Lost Journal. This could be our key to finally escaping Thrill Island. It has instructions, sketches, and maps charting the way. Just listen to this. My dearest crew, according to my calculations, there's just one possible escape, which I roughly charted here. The way off this island is unsteady and unpredictable, so keep to the middle of the path throughout to keep your balance. Whatever you do, don't get clever and attempt to swing sideways or rotate along the path. Let's just say I learned that the hard way. From home base, your journey will begin at the very scary Pier of Fear, before continuing on through the unpredictable terrain of Cliffs Point. Should you need sure footing or even slip off the cliffs, just grab a hold of the ropes I've left behind on either side to pull yourself back onto the way. You're hooked on the line, so there's no need to panic. When you come to Crown's Edge, look for my marking of a crown and anchor. There, you'll need to line your boots square on top of the crest. Grab a hold of the ropes on either side, hold very still, and look out to the sea's horizon for some sign of my ship. If all goes as planned, one of my navigators will meet you to assist you down. Do not attempt to disconnect yourself from your line without any of their swept help. Remember, once you set out, you can only move forward, not backward, so pack your best equipment. The way is sure to test even the bravest among you. Gosh, well, you heard Crown. We better get going. You'll need an adventure suit, helmet, and harness. As you venture, don't reach above or touch any of the rigging or loops on your harness at any time. If you use assistance, just ask a navigator for help. All set? It's time to escape Thrill Island.
All right, thank you, navigator.
Just check everything for you. That's good. Alright, put your hands on the straps right here. We'll move forward to your right side.
Alright, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
You're gonna keep moving, stop in the first exit.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, sure.
No. Whew.
Was it good?
Made it.
Yes.
Scary.
Scary?